During this brief video, we'll look how infoReadit can be used to send a document proposal. So we'll log on to infoReadit. Each user needs their own logon credentials. And the first thing we'll do is create a new document pack. We can give this a title and type in our company name. We now can decide how that end user interacts with the document. If we only want them to view the document, we don't have to enable any of these features here. If we allow download, it means the recipient can download the document at their end. Sometimes we prefer to leave this not enabled because we get tracking information whenever the document is viewed. In this case, we'll allow download. We then create the document, and all we do now is create the document pack. We can put useful separator pages in, so we can perhaps put the proposal title in here, and we can add that. We can then go and select the files that we need. So in this case it's a quote, and we can upload that, and then perhaps we're going to add a price list from our library documents. So the library documents are really a group of documents that can be shared amongst users, really a set of standard documents, things that you'd use regularly. So in this case we're going to go and grab a price list, and we're going to add our file. So you can build up packs of documents, obviously depending on the application. The benefit being we're not attaching them directly to emails. We're going to send a unique link to allow our client to view those files. When we're happy with the pack, we can preview it. And one of the key things with infoReadit is that it's got its own viewer technology built in, so independent of the device at the other end, you'll be able to view the document. All you need is a browser, and this will view very well on a tablet or an iPhone or an Android device. So we can build our pack of documents. So once we're happy with the preview, we can go back to the details, we can save any changes we made, and we can copy the link. All we do now is we send that link to our client in an email, and then this will allow them to view the document at the other end. So now we send the infoReadit link in our favourite email client, and send this to our client. The client at the other end now can open the email, and by clicking on the link they'll gain access to our proposal. And there's also options to view the document at 100% or actual width or fit to width. And because we enabled the download function, the client has the ability to download a copy of the document locally. infoReadit can be branded as well, so you can put your corporate logo here, and again on the separator pages as well. So we'll download the document so the client can store a copy locally. Now if we go back to the infoReadit dashboard, we can see that our document has been viewed. Basically when the status icon goes to green, it means that it's been viewed in this case, or signed if the signature was enabled. You can see on this document here the signature is red. It means it hasn't been signed. Now the really important thing here is that we track every interaction with the document. So if we look at the logs, we can see that this document has been viewed and the location, and it's been downloaded. We'll have a quick look round infoReadit. So we've also got the facility to archive documents that have been completed, and we can give them a reason for why we've archived them. So this is really your long-term storage area. We've got our library documents here, so you can create as many folders and subfolders as you like by simply adding a new folder, then putting library documents in. And we've also got a stats page which allows us to see all our document interactions in the last period of time. If we're part of a user group as well, we can also see other users within that group, which may be useful if you're part of a sales team, for example. And finally, we'll have a quick look at the infoReadit report that runs every half an hour. And this is a really useful report that notifies us when a document has been viewed, downloaded, a signature applied, whatever. And you can see here in the proposal we've just sent that it was viewed at this time and on this date, the location, and we can also see that it's been downloaded. This same report would run again for signatures and would tell us when a signature had been applied to a document. We hope this overview of infoReadit has been useful. If you've got any questions or would like a free trial, contact us at Document Genetics.